Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So this past week I went to LA, and while I was there I thought it would be fun to go to one of their most popular nail salons. So I ended up going to Modern Pamper Salon, and if you haven't heard of this, it's basically supposed to be one of their like most hyped nail salons. Celebrities go there, I think. I don't know, that's what I've heard, and it's just a popular place. So I wanted to see if it was worth the hype and just my overall experience. So I did film while I was there, so I'm going to show that in a second, and then I'll talk about my experience overall. But the one thing that I thought was really weird is they actually don't have the best reviews. Like on Google they have 2.6 stars out of 109 reviews. So I'll try to like put some like on the screen somewhere, but overall they weren't the best reviews, which was actually kind of shocking to me. But yeah, just throwing that out there. So let's go to the salon. Ew, I don't know. Okay, so we just got here and I still don't know what I'm getting, but I'm thinking something like this with maybe like the sparkles or nude like that. I don't really know. I think I might just figure it out when I get inside. And this is the before of my nails, just so you guys can see. They're a little bit crusty. Here it is. Let's go. Okay.
For makes sense.
Yeah, that works then.
And this one?
And then with the white ombre. And this color on everything, yeah. So these are the final nails. Ooh. Okay, so I did end up showing them that picture in the car, but instead of doing the triangles, I did the like outline kind of shape. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, so I ended up doing that. I don't know why, I just thought it'd be cute. And these did end up being $118, which, oh, I don't know. I don't think it's terrible, especially considering I got a design on every nail pretty much, but it's not cheap, but I feel like the quality is really there. Like, I'm really happy with the shaping and everything. I feel like some of the nails, this is me being picky, but I feel like some of them could have used a bigger apex. Like, a few of them are a little bit flat, but again, overall, I'm really happy with them. I feel like the customer service was good even when I called to make my appointment and everything. And I had Luis, he was nice. He made sure like what I wanted, what colors and everything. Like, he even made the beads. I don't know if you saw that. I think it should be included, but he like made different beads to see what color I wanted and everything. And I don't know, I just feel like it was overall a good experience. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have been to Modern Pamper Salon and what you think of these nails. It's definitely so hard to get used to. Like, it's been, I think, 5 days now, and it's just like, ugh, I don't know, like even taking out my contacts, it's the hardest thing ever. But I don't know, I kind of like this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.